Swimming at Season Swim in Madhapur is an absolute delight. Our indoor pool is perfect for everyone kids, adults, and families alike. Whether you're just starting to learn, looking to boost your fitness, or simply want to unwind, we have a clean and safe environment tailored for you. Imagine splashing around with your loved ones or enjoying a peaceful swim after a long day. Located conveniently near Narayana High School, our facility is easy to find. For more information, visit our website at www.seasonswim.com or give us a call at 99494 64278 or 99491 77122.